vlog, actually number 1 that I actually have done. But this is my, of course, it's obviously raining, so, right now I'm just chilling with my slippers, even if they're dirty. And did you hear that? Oh, that sounds beautiful out here. Right now I'm in a hoodie. Hopefully. So this is our seating area, and I got horse little ball. Squish. And guess what, guys? Boom! It's beautiful. But we are going to do this next. This is obviously done. This beautiful. This right here is for, obviously, putting out mosquitoes, so then they don't bother us, and just, they're nasty little creatures. But I do have a hole here. Who cares? I'm not gonna die. But yeah, this is my vlog. Bye guys.